My name's Dr. Alannah. Today I would like to talk to you about Profhilo. Profhilo I like to refer to as injectable moisturiser. It is suitable for all skin types. If you feel that you are experiencing skin laxity, loss of elasticity, photo-aging, then Profhilo is the one for you. We inject a large dose of hyaluronic acid into the skin. Hyaluronic acid is capable of holding 1,000 times its own weight in water. As well as this, it will stimulate your fibroblast cells to produce new collagen. This will result in your skin feeling very hydrated, increased tightness and a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Profhilo can be injected into the face, neck, décolletage, hands, and now we also have Profhilo Body. Profhilo Body can be used on the abdomen, upper thigh, upper arm, and essentially anywhere that you are experiencing loose or lax skin. The procedure itself is very straightforward. When you leave the clinic, you will experience slight raises in the skin and just some tiny little lumps beneath, and they normally disappear within 24 hours. Other than that, you can go about your normal daily activity. The results are fantastic. We call it the red carpet effect. The following morning, you will wake up and your skin will feel incredibly soft and glowy, dewy and radiant. Profhilo is not Botox or dermal filler. We've all heard of hyaluronic acid in serums that you can buy over the counter. These are actually very ineffective as they don't penetrate where they need to get to. Profhilo is injected deep into the dermis where it is incredibly potent and effective, and it will stimulate your collagen cells to produce new collagen. Profhilo is suitable for all skin types, textures and ethnicities. It doesn't matter how old you are, we can always improve the elasticity of the skin using Profhilo. If you would like to find out more about Profhilo and would like to book a free consultation, please click the link below to make contact.